Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to download JDK 25 in your Windows. First of all, open any browser and type there download JDK 25 for Windows, and we will go into first option Java download Oracle India. Click on it and scroll down. You can see below that JDK 25. You can download it for Linux, Mac OS and Windows. We are downloading for Windows, so click on Windows. Then after we'll go into this option x64 compressed archive. We'll click on this link. After clicking, you can see here our file is getting downloaded, as it will take some time. After downloading, now open download folder explorer, and here you can see JDK 25. Extract it, select all, and choose browse folder in C program file Java. Select folder and extract it. You need to provide the initial process to copy. Okay, continue. Wait till process get completed. Now open JDK 25. Open bin folder. Here we can copy class path. Select and copy, and then minimize this. And in search we will search for environment variable. Click on this. In system property we will go into environment variable, system variable, and click on path. Double click on path, and from here new we will put here path. Okay. Now open CMD to check or install JDK version. Here you will Java space minus minus version. Enter. And you are seeing Java. Still it is showing Java version 21. We will do from path. We will delete it from JDK 21. Delete. Now again check using CMD Java minus minus version. Enter. Nothing is going. Minus minus version. Mistake. Java minus version. Enter. Now we'll go to our environment variable. R. Move up. Okay. Now restart CMD. Java version. Now you can see latest Java version 25. Like this, you can install archive file. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, press the like button and also do subscribe. Thank you.